How to locate the nearest ALDI store using the ALDI Finder tool. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel today. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to locate the nearest ALDI store using the ALDI Store Finder. So for that keys, you have to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up or log into your account. When you're logged into your account, now from the app itself, there is no such direct way of doing it. So you can use the link or a direct link. For that, open up a new tab, and on the web address bar, you have to go ahead and type in the link, that is store.aldi.us/stores. When you locate or when you type in the link, it's going to take you to this sort of page where you can go ahead and enter in the store location or your current address and all that, and click the search bar tool feature, and you should be able to locate the nearest ALDI store using the ALDI Store Finder. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.